It is hot today in South Florida. Nonetheless, let's test some ferro rods. This is the Light My Fire 2.0 Firesteel option. This ferro rod is 3 3/4 in total length, and the actual ferro rod itself is 2 1/4 inches in total length. The ferro rod is 3/8 in thickness, and the weight is 1.90 ounces. One cool feature about this ferro rod is there's an included whistle. It's not that great, but it's still better than nothing. Also something to note, this ferro rod is more on the hard composition side. And the lanyard does not come with this. I actually cut off the stock lanyard and put on this 550 cord option. So there you have it. That is the Light My Fire 2.0. I'm sure many of you are familiar with the Uberleben Zunden. This is 4 5/8 inches in total length. The actual ferro rod itself is 2 9/16 inches, and the thickness is 3/8. The weight of this setup is 2.10 ounces. And I found this to be a ferro rod that's generally on the softer side. What I appreciate about the setup is the included striker. It's a multi-tool, really. It has several features. It has a hex wrench / bottle opener here. This end piece, I've actually seen in some reviews listed as the striker, but that's false. This is actually used to process tinder, small pieces of tinder. And it also has a ruler down here. And the striker for this ferro rod is actually on the lower portion of this multi-tool. It's down here at the bottom. Let's see if I can get this for you, if you can see it. There it is right there. It's like a ridge, really. And there you have it. That is the Uberleben Zunden. This ferro rod comes from Nathan4071 on eBay. I had seen many positive reviews of his products in the past and figured I would give this one a try. This one is 5 inches in total length and 3/8 in thickness. Ferro rods purchased from Nathan4071 do not come with a striker. You usually have to purchase one separately or fashion your own. In fact, I use a old Sawzall blade that I cut in half, and I use the back spine of it in order to strike this ferro rod. Nathan4071 ferro rods also do not come with the lanyard hole. I drilled this one myself, so it's just something to keep in mind when purchasing ferro rods from him. So there you have it, the Nathan4071 ferro rod. This is the Firesteels Dragontail Ferro Rod. And this thing is just beautiful. Any ferro rod that you purchase from fatwoodfiresteels.com comes with a lanyard and a striker, as well as a tester piece of fatwood. And you can already see that I've used the striker before to scrape off some fatwood to get, you know, my tinder bundle going. And the idea behind this is using a fatwood handle. You know, in the event that you were in a survival situation, you could, if you wanted to, use the scraper to scrape off the handle in order to produce some tinder in order to create a fire. But I'm probably never going to do that to this handle because it's just too good looking. I'm not going to list the specifications just because honestly they're going to vary, because every single ferro rod from Fatwood Firesteels is unique, and that's the beauty of it. But I will say that the actual ferro rod exposed is usually around 3 inches in length and about 3/8 in thickness. And it is a softer composition ferro rod. As to the brand, I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna go out on a limb and guess that it's Bayite just due to the striker logo. If I'm wrong, someone please let me know in the comments down below. But highly recommended. If you want to pick up one of these ferro rods, I'm going to link his website down in the description below. I will say, very important though, if you do specifically want a Dragontail, the Dragontail handle, you'll have to purchase this through Jeff's Etsy store, and they start at $45, I want to say, and $45 and up. So just keep that in mind before you buy. There you have it. That is the Fatwood Firesteels Dragontail Ferro Rod. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the notification bell so you stay informed of all new content. Thanks for watching.